Alrighty, folks, what's going on? This is Matt here for Dark Red Linux Tech Gaming, where this is the fusion of Linux technology and gaming, and we're looking at Persona 5 Strikers actually working on Linux. Here's the thing. Persona 5 Strikers has always been hit or miss with its support. Certain things will work or won't work, etc. The biggest thing for the last probably 6 months that I've seen anyway has been the lack of audio in cutscenes. Well, that's been fixed, and it's been fixed by one little code thanks to Proton GE and by Proton DB. So you go to protondb.com, then Persona 5 Strikers, etc., whatever. This code right here, this launch option, will fix the lack of audio in Persona 5 Strikers. So just copy that, and then we'll go to, well, that. All right, click on new, and we go to manage properties, compatibility. So I run Garuda, so I already have Proton GE. So make sure this is on whatever version of GE you have, probably the newest, I'm guessing. So go to your general and just Control A, Control V, and that will change that. And then when you go to the in-game process, you will get audio. Because originally, none of this would have played during the video stuff. It was all quiet. Didn't matter if it was whatever it was. So, and we'll skip that. But it all works, as you can tell. So, just a quick little how-to and some updates on Proton stuff. So there you go. Have fun. I will catch you guys on the next one, and that's how you get Persona 5 Strikers working on your Linux desktop or your Steam Deck with full functionality. Catch you guys on the flip, Patreon, Indie Gala, all that crap down below. Peace.